Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add clock widget on the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen. After that, tap on widgets option. From here scroll down and find clock. That's it. Just tap on clock option and here it is. Here you can find so many categories of clock screen widget. You can see alarm clock, analog clock, digital clock, dual clock, and you can choose any option to set your home screen. Suppose if you want to set this digital clock to your home screen, just touch and hold it and drag and drop it to the home screen. Make sure that there are enough space on your home screen. You can see clock widget has been added successfully on the home screen. Now if I touch and hold it and then tap on settings option, from here you can customize your clock widget. You can change your background, and from here change background color. Also from here you can change your transparency. Just tap on save and it's done. And that is how you can set clock widget on the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.